Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this gorgeous teal eyeshadow look. Also could be called a mermaid look, using only the Colourpop High Tide palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell, and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. First, I'm going to use the color Current. This is going to be my base color. So since I'm doing this beautiful teal look, also called a mermaid look, I of course got to talk about one of my favorite movies as a child, The Little Mermaid. So since this is our base color, we're going to do the famous windshield wiper and circular motions to blend that color out. For my crease color, I'm going to be using the color Flora. Did you know that the original story of The Little Mermaid was published in 1837 by Hans Christian Andersen? So you're going to continue to blend this color just in that crease and then bring it out to the outer corner of the eye. Now in the Hans Christian Andersen version, Ariel doesn't get the guy, and in the end, she turns into sea foam. Good thing Disney changed that, because that is awful. Now I'm going to use the color Free Floatin', and I'm going to put this on a flat brush and focus it on the inner corner and move it over to about halfway on the lid. Now in the opening scene with King Triton, you can actually see Kermit, Mickey Mouse, Goofy, and Donald Duck hiding in the crowd. These were all characters that I loved as a child. When working with shimmers or glitters, it's always a good idea to pat the eyeshadow instead of swiping the brush across your lid. I'm going to use the color Must See, and again on a flat brush, and this time we're going to focus it on the outer half of the eye. Now I'm going to use Muscle Beach, and I'm just going to place this on the very corner of the eye. So all the names of the Little Mermaid sisters start with the letter A. And of course, names that start with the letter A are awesome, like Amber, or my daughter's names, Alana, which is one of the sisters' names, and Alexis. Next, I'm going to use Just a Splash, and I'm going to focus this on the inner corner. Now, the problem with naming your kids with the same letter of your name is when you go to fill out paperwork, like you're at the school, and you have to fill out every year paperwork on your child. Well, when I start writing their name, I write the A, and then I automatically just start writing my name. I pretty much do this every single time I try to write their name. I always write mine. Now for the outer corner, we're going to use the color Lunar. So I'm using a rounded brush, again, just focusing it right there in the corner, and then I kind of bring it up just a little bit. So the color of the mermaid's tail actually says what type of mermaid they are. For example, the Little Mermaid has a green tail, which means that she is loyal and has a wonderful connection to nature. So if I were a mermaid, mine would be pink because it means that I am easygoing and approachable. And in case you want to know what your color of tail would be if you were a mermaid, there's actually quizzes online that you can take, and it will tell you what color of tail you will have. So I used a cotton ball to clean up all that fallout, and now I'm doing my famous trick of using a Q-tip with lotion to clean up that line and to crisp it up. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Disco Queen. This is a glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner and go about halfway over the eye. Because this is a mermaid look, we of course have to have glitter in this look. Now I'm going to add this Marc Jacobs eyeliner to right below my lower lashes. This is going to give a pop of color to that lower lash line, and it's just going to make the look overall look well-rounded and beautiful. Here is the final look, and now here is what it looks like with eyeliner and mascara. So even though saying a mermaid eyeshadow look might sound a little childish, I think this look is gorgeous and can be worn by anyone. Well, thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!